So it's going to be a big ticket Thursday tomorrow, with some of the issues that are likely to be discussed by the cabinet being politically contentious. But while the opposition may be piling on the pressure on the government's recent policy decisions, corporate India at its end has been very supportive of the recent moves that's been taken by the government. In fact, for the first time after taking office as Finance Minister, P. Chidambaram today met with India Inc. to discuss the recent policy reforms and also reviving growth and investment sentiment. After the meeting, industry leaders like Chris Gopalakrishnan expressed confidence in the government's reforms push and also said that they are hopeful of growth revival, especially under the very proactive Finance Minister. Listen in.
We discussed several points to how we can work together to revive the economy, but more importantly, talk about how we can together talk about the opportunities.
Yes.
How we can look at the momentum that we have created, how we can take that forward.
Well, that's Chris Gopalakrishnan, Adi Godrej, president of the CII, who was also part of that delegation that met the finance minister, speaking exclusively to CNBC TV 18, said the government may even exceed the disinvestment target of 30,000 crore rupees this fiscal. That, of course, is his own personal opinion. He also said that CII will talk to opposition parties to push forward the pension and insurance sector reforms which need the parliament's consent. Listen in.
Finance Minister didn't articulate specifically on what disinvestment would take place. We clearly got the impression that the disinvestment momentum is strongly on, and personally I feel they could not just not achieve the target but could exceed the target. He did mention on both those bills, he felt they were very important for the Finance Ministry and the government, and he requested industry associations to speak to the opposition parties to try and convince them these were important reforms for the country. In fact, I think on one or two of them, the opposition has expressed solidarity. Now, certainly the industry association, especially CII, will certainly take it up with the opposition to see that some of the reform agenda in the parliament is also attended to.
Well, that's Adi Godrej, the president of the CII. Let's go across now to Nainalal Kidwai, the senior vice president at FICCI.